Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another little Sephora haul for you guys. I know, who am I? I just had a Sephora haul in September. It's only October, but I had a birthday in September. If you didn't know, I had a birthday in September. And one of my friends, Maria, sent me a Sephora gift card. Thank you, Maria, if you're watching. I know you are. And so even though I had just done a Sephora order, when I did that order for my birthday gift, it was like the week before all of the like holiday sets started coming out, and I was like, darn it, I should have waited like one more week, but I was so impatient. I wanted to just do it right away. So I did another one because I had a gift certificate and I treated myself to one of the holiday sets. Now, I don't normally do this. I don't normally buy holiday sets because usually there's like things in it that I don't want, or things I've already tried, or some of the things are not cruelty free, which is usually the problem. It's usually like quite a mixture. But this year they did this Sephora Favorites Sparkly Clean set. And I do believe, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, I'm gonna be really embarrassed if I'm wrong, but I do believe everything in this kit is cruelty free. So I treated myself. So I thought we would go through the things that come in this little kit and some of the other, I just got a couple other, well, I just bought one other thing and then I have some samples. So I thought we would just go through it all. I thought it would be really fun. I haven't opened this up at all yet. I'm just opening this box for the very first time. It's such cute packaging. I'm so excited. I love holiday sets. I worked retail for many years for our local beauty supply company, Maritime Beauty. I worked there for many, many years. And my favorite time of year when I worked there was when the holiday sets would come in. I always loved to see like what products they paired together and the fun like holiday packaging. I'm really not a Christmas person. I know, don't come for me in the comments, but I do love holiday sets. So there's that. So I was really excited to get this in. I think the packaging is really cute. I'm excited to try everything that came in this. This was like one of the rare times where I was like, everything in here is something I would like to try. And I can't remember how much it was. Why don't they put the price on the receipt? I can't remember. I'll put the price on the screen here, because I'm filming on my phone today, so I can't look it up on my phone. But I felt that it was a pretty good value for the $1, considering there are 3 full-size products in this kit. A lot of times you'll get these little sets and they're all minis, and when you really look at like price per ounce, you're not really saving anything. It's more almost like a sampler set at that point. But this one had 3 full sizes. So out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So half of the products in here are full size. Anyways, let's go through it. I'll stop rambling. Okay, so it just slides open like this. Ooh, okay. So I'll put this box in front of me so I can see what I'm actually looking at here. So the first thing we have in here is one of the full size products. So this is from the brand Tower 28. And this is the Juice Balm Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Mix. So again, full size product. I have not tried anything from Tower 28 yet, but I'm really interested in their lip products. I've heard that their lip glosses are amazing, and I've also heard really good things about their cream blushes. So I'd like to try some things from them. I thought this was like a good opportunity to do that. So this looks kind of like a crayon. I thought we'd swatch everything. Oh, that's such a good color. I was like worried that it was going to be this color. I was like, oh. No, it's like a really nice, like similar in tone to the lipstick that I have on, but obviously more sheer. It feels really nice and balmy. No noticeable scent that I can tell. Twists up and down. It's like a very in-depth review on a lip balm. So really, really cool. Very excited about that. Next I have, this is like a deluxe sample size. So this is the Ilia mascara. This is their Fullest Volumizing mascara in black. And I've heard really good things about this. I want to say Kathleen Lights maybe is a huge fan of this one. I can't remember. I remember somebody like raving about this mascara. Oh, it's got the wand I like. I love those big like hourglass shaped ones. That's exactly what I like. I will probably save this. I have a few other mascaras on hand right now, and because this is like a deluxe sample size, I'll probably try it out and then save it. I have a trip coming up in February, so I might save it for that just because it's nice and small, but I'll definitely want to test it first. You don't want to take something new that you've never tried before on vacation. Do not recommend doing that. Okay, next up we have another full-size product. So this is the Merit Flush Balm Cheek Color in the shade Cheeky. So this is like a bit deeper than any other cream blushes that I have. Ooh, actually looks kind of similar to the Milk Makeup one that I have, but I think it's a little bit more, slightly more cool toned, a little bit more like rosy purpley. It's really pretty. It's really, really pretty. I like this format. I have not ever tried a cream blush in that format. Usually it's either in like a flat, pan, or it's like in a stick format. So I'm just kind of seeing what that's like. I think you can definitely sheer that out really nicely. It definitely has like more a balmy texture to it, which I personally like. I'll definitely be letting you guys know in future speed reviews what I think of these products in terms of how they wear, how I liked them on me personally and all that stuff. I just wanted to kind of give us an idea of what came in this kit. Next up, we have I was gonna say a primer. What? We have a highlight here. So this is the Saie Beauty Glowy Super Gel Lightweight Dewy Highlighter in Star Glow. Now, I have not heard good things about this, but makeup is very personal. Just because somebody else didn't like it doesn't mean that I'm not gonna like it. I thought it was gonna be a doe foot. Don't know why. It's a pump. It's a pump. Okay. So this again is a deluxe size sample. This is not the full size, but that is like lots for a highlight. Some things I'm like, I don't need a full size. It's like trying really hard not to get too much. So it came out like that. And this is what it's looking like. Oh, I don't like the way it smells. Ugh. Has a very plasticky chemical smell, which is fine as long as that dissipates as it dries down. But it's not looking like a ton. However, the thing that I had heard about this was that some people were finding it really like chunky, glittery, and I don't find that. So maybe that was another shade. It definitely has a little bit of a shine to it, but it certainly is like subtle. It is drying down though, which I like, and it's staying shiny. So we'll see about that one. I find myself to be very fussy in terms of like cream highlights, more so than like cream bronzers or blushes for some reason. I think because sometimes the highlights will really like separate my concealer and foundation right there. So we'll see about that one. I can definitely like smell it. I think it's just in the air. Like it's definitely dissipating off of my hand. Okay, next up we have our last full-size item. So this is from Milk Makeup. It's full size, look how tiny it is. So this is their Color Chalk in Hopscotch. Now, I don't know that these had very good reviews, but I thought it was a really interesting product. I think KVD has come out with their own, I think they're called Dazzle Sticks, and those have had really good reviews. And I feel like that's what these were trying to be. So this is it. It's like a little piece of chalk. I like that it comes in a tube at least, right? Because I was like, so you can, I don't know if you can see, the paper is made so you can like tear it away. Let's see what that looks like. That's pretty. Put it back in its little tube before I make a mess. So that's it right there. It's very, very reflective. See, I think that's really pretty. I would definitely use that. And it's not a liquid, right? I'm thinking like, you know, as we start traveling again, maybe that's like a good one to travel with as like your sparkly product because it's just a solid. It's definitely small, so you want to make sure you don't like lose it. And I would definitely keep it in this little plastic tube, but I think that's really pretty. You could use that as a highlight. You could use that on the inner corner. You could use that on like tapped onto the lid over top of your eyeshadow. I think that's really cute. And then last but not least, we have a deluxe size sample of the Tasha Liquid Skin Canvas. I have not tried this, but I do always love getting like deluxe size sample primers. I'm running out of space on my hands, so we're gonna do this one on my wrist. I have not tried this one. I pictured it being very silicone-y, but it came out like a cream. So what do I know? It's really nicely mixing in with my arm hairs there, but that's it right there. Oh, it has like a citrusy scent, and it just feels like a really nice, like it's got a little bit of that sort of slippy feeling, but it really feels more like a hydrating primer, which is right up my alley. That's what I like. I like something that almost feels like a lotion. Smells nice, feels nice. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited about everything that came in here. Good job to me for picking a good kit. I was nervous. I like picked it and then I was like, was that a mistake? Did I fall into the hype? Maybe. I don't think I did. I think this is going to be really great. So very excited about everything that came in here. Let me know in the comments down below if you've picked up any holiday sets. If you have, which ones? Did you get this one? What did you think of the products in there? Love to hear from you guys in the comments down below. I always love to hear what holiday sets people are buying. I think there's some good ones this year. I've been watching a lot of like reviews on the different holiday sets. And then I did order myself a product here from The Ordinary. So this is their retinol in Squalene. This is the 5.5%. The retinol that I'm using right now is the Honest Beauty one, and I really like it. But the type of packaging that it is, it's like a pump, but it's opaque. So there's no way to know like how much is left. And I figured if I was already doing a Sephora order, I may as well order a retinol, because I just can imagine one of these days I'm gonna pump it and nothing's gonna come out. So I thought I'd give this one a try. It is like more of an oil-based serum from what I could tell based on what I read. I've never used this one. I'm having a lot of products on my arm today. Yeah, it's definitely more of an oil base, but it's not like a thick, like heavy oil. It's like a very lightweight oil. So I think you would actually put that underneath of your moisturizer, not on top. No noticeable scent as always with The Ordinary products. But I think that's gonna be fine. I was gonna get the one from the Inky List, but my friend got that one and she's had a weird reaction to it. So I decided to stick with The Ordinary on this one. So again, I'll let you guys know about this in a future speed reviews. If you've tried this one, comment down below, let me know how you made out with it. I so far have had no issues with retinols. I've used a variety of different ones from different brands in different strengths, and I've not had any reactions myself personally, but I have seen other people have reactions. So I'm always curious to hear from you guys what your experiences were. And then of course I had like a choice for some samples. I did get this, look how cute, little baby liquid blush. So this is from Rare Beauty, and this is their Soft Pinch Matte Liquid Blush in the shade Grace. I've heard really good things about their liquid blush, not so much the cream blush in the pan, but I've heard these ones are really good. This is the cute, this is like Barbie's liquid blush. It's so cute and tiny. I can't with minis. I just think they're so cute. I want to cry. I want to cry. It's so cute. Oh my God. You guys are like, what a loser. Okay. The color is really pretty. That's, oh my God. Hello. That's it right there. Run out of hand space. So I just wanted to see. Oh yeah, it like shears out really well. So we'll see. I would definitely want to try applying that some different ways. Like, do I want to use my finger? Like, do I want to dot it on and use my finger? Do I want to use a sponge? Do I want to use a brush? I just don't know. So if you guys have this, maybe not this tiny one, I just almost dropped it because it's so small I can't hold it. If you guys have tried the Rare Beauty liquid blushes, let me know how you like to apply them. Do you like to use your fingers, a brush, a sponge? I'd love to know. I'll definitely like try different ways and see how it goes, but love these little deluxe size samples. Great way to try a product before you spend the money. I've been kind of expanding my cream and liquid blush collection recently, and so I don't want to have a bunch on hand in the full sizes because they will dry out eventually, as opposed to like a powder blush. They'll basically last forever. So I think these little deluxe size samples are awesome. And then I just got a couple of samples. I usually grab like skincare samples or hair care samples. I grab things that to me seem useful for travel because that's basically how I use my sample sizes. So I did get this Shani Darden Retinol Reform. It's like a retinol serum. I didn't have any like sachets of retinol serums on hand, so I grabbed that. And the other one that I grabbed is this. This is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. I had this in the full-size tube, loved it, used it up completely. It's amazing. If you need like a hydrating hair balm, this one is so good. It lasts forever. It makes your hair really shiny and smooth without weighing it down. And I thought this would be great again for travel because you don't need a lot. Like this would do me for a week very easily. So I love those little sample packets for that, especially when it's something I've already tried and I know that I love. Those are great to travel with because there's no surprises, right? So that's what I got. That's everything I got in my little haul. I don't know how I was able to make this such a long video for so few items, but I was very excited about my little holiday set. Love to hear from you guys in the comments down below what you're purchasing from the holiday sets and you know what you're buying. What are you buying these days? I always love to chat with you guys in the comments down below. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.